The new W330 and W440 combines feature completely new cab and control systems that revolutionize the operator experience for a combine harvester in this class. The distinctive cab roof houses 8 working lights. These can be upgraded to powerful LED lights for safe working when harvesting into the night. The new cab design is surprisingly spacious for a compact combine. 2 people can sit comfortably side by side. You'll have no problem finding the optimum driving position either, thanks to 3-way adjustable steering, and the air suspension seat soaks up the bumps for all-day long comfort. With a top speed of up to 25 km/h, harvest start times won't be delayed. The tight turning radius is perfect for maneuvering in small fields. For guaranteed harvesting at full header width, why not fit our legendary AutoTrack universal system? Offering fast line acquisition, it can be switched between machines in just 30 minutes. You can also add a touch of big combine comfort with automatic air conditioning, a cool box, or seat heating. There are practical options as well, including 12-volt and USB sockets and electric mirrors. The large widescreen display is clear and bright. It can be divided into 2 zones to show performance and machine settings at the same time. Touchscreen menus eliminate the need for extra push buttons. There are 15 preset options for different crops, and operators can also save up to 30 different settings for all main functions: drum speed, concave clearance, fan speed, and more. Operators can also set individual anti-blockage alarms for all the main controls, such as feeder house, threshing cylinder, and fan speed. If the RPM drops below the limit, an alarm sounds and the operator simply reduces speed. The new control lever integrates all the main combine functions. Angled at 45 degrees for maximum comfort, you can control the header, reel, auger folding, and grain tank unloading, all with one hand. There are also 2 programmable buttons, M1 and M2, which let you store 2 header positions as well as activate the automatic header height control. Controls for less commonly used functions are located on the console. The new W330 and W440. The practicality of high-performance harvesting in comfort.